Welcome to Vani Tutorials. Students, this is a very important diagram from exam point of view. Figure 2.3, important latitude and heat zones. You have to memorize this, or you have to learn it with proper labeling. So we can see Tropic of Cancer present at 23.5 degree north in the northern hemisphere. Tropic of Capricorn is present at 23 degree half in the southern hemisphere. Arctic Circle is present at north at 66 and half. And Antarctic Circle is also present in the south side of equator at 66 and half. So just remember two 23 and half. If it is present in north, it is Tropic of Cancer, and if it is present in south, it is Tropic of Capricorn. Second is the 66.5 degree. If it is present in the north side, it is Arctic Circle. If it is present in the south side, it is Antarctic Circle. And frigid zones, they are present on in the north as well as southern hemisphere both.